Welcome, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're crafting bakery-style chocolate chip cookies, a professional recipe for perfect results. Get ready to bake. First, cream 226 grams of softened unsalted butter with 150 grams of granulated sugar and 160 grams of packed light brown sugar. Mix on medium for 2 to 3 minutes until light and fluffy. For more expert tips, remember to like this video. Next, incorporate 1 large room-temperature egg until just combined. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Avoid overmixing to maintain that tender crumb. In a separate bowl, whisk together 270 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. Share this recipe with a fellow foodie. Slowly add your dry mixture to the wet, mixing on low speed until just combined. Stop the moment no dry streaks remain. Precision is key for professional texture. Now, gently fold in 255 grams of your favorite semi-sweet chocolate chips or chunks. Ensure they're evenly distributed throughout the dough for chocolate in every bite. Scoop rounded dough portions onto a parchment-lined sheet. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes until edges are golden and centers are soft. Comment your baking triumphs below. Cool on the sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack. Just look at that perfection. Remember to subscribe for more professional baking tutorials and hit like if you enjoyed this. Happy baking!